Hello friends, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. Today I'm going to going to represent some of the PowerPoint slides. And in this PowerPoint slide, I'm going to represent one of the problems in a scenario which is facing by the company, as well as I'm going to give some solutions for it to resolve that of the problems which is facing by that company. First of all, I'm going to represent what is called the server virtualization and how it works. The server virtualization is the one of the process of the partitioning of the one physical layer into the multiple virtual servers. As we can say that the server virtualization is the process which allow the multiple VMs to run on the single host. Furthermore, this process is a very cost-effective method to give or to provide the web hosting services, as we can see that it is allowing the multiple virtual machines to run on a single host. It is very beneficial service which is providing. After that, I'm going to define that how the server virtualization work. The server virtualization relies on the one of the software layer which is used to simulate the functionality of the hardware, and the name of that software layer is called the hypervisor. This is one of the important software layer in the server virtualization, as it simulate the functionality of the hardware, and it gets the physical resources and then it define or it make the partition in order to make it useful for the virtual environment. After it, I'm going to represent some of the server virtualization benefits. As we know, there are so many benefits or the merits of the server virtualization, but I'm going to represent some of them. First is called the saves money. First benefit is it saves the money on the IT cost. As we can see that it is allowing us to make the partition of the single of one physical server into the multiple virtual machine, so it will reduces the cost which we are spending on the servers. Due to it is very useful for the IT companies to use the server virtualization. The second thing is called to create the independent user environment. It is providing the user very user friendly as well as the independent environment, because in this the users can run their applications in one virtual server without affecting the others. So that's why it is a very independent it is providing the very independent user environment. The third one is called it reduces the energy consumption. As we can see that the server virtualization is a process of dividing the one physical layer into the multiple virtual machines. So if we don't have need different physical servers for the different VMs, so it will reduce the consumption of the energy. After it, I'm going to represent one of the company which is called Webco, and it is a web publishing company, and I'm going to represent the problem scenario as well as some of the solutions for the problems. The first of all, this company is called the Webco, and it is hosting the multiple websites. And there are so many physical web servers. There are so many physical web servers of this company on which the so many more than one websites are currently running. And these websites are normally providing or generating the revenues for the companies from the advertisements. As an advertiser pays website pay website owners to refer the visitors to advertise the website. After that, some of the problem which is facing by the company. The problem scenario, in the first of all, there is the time to time the website is freezing because there is too much traffic, and due to the busy site the website is freezing. The website is mostly the main reason of the freezing of the website, that more than one user, multiple users are using or watching the website. So due to this, the company is getting the high traffic spikes. And the second problem is called that due to the traffic spikes, the company is getting into the loss, because most of the people are not going to see the site, because there is too much traffic on that site, and they are not able to see even the advertisements which are publishing by the company. What actually the company needs, the first of all, the company need to avoid their loss which they are getting due to the traffic spikes. So the company, all of the organization need more and more profit. So this company is also this company also need to avoid the loss which they are getting. And the second thing is called, which the company need to receive the alert emails as well as alert messages from the administrators, so that they can know about which problem they are getting. So if they will know about the problem before they will know about the problem, then they will be able to solve these problems, and they can get more profit by resolving these problems. After it, how this can be achieved, how these problems can be solved. First of all, there are two methods. The first method is called upgrading the current server system, and the second is called the shifting the server to the cloud based servers. First of all, I'm going to define how shifting the servers to the cloud based servers is useful. First of all, when by shifting the working servers to the cloud based servers, it will very easier, because it will be very easier for the company, because the cloud servers are already have the so many facilities included in them. The cloud web applications, the cloud web providers add the redundancy, as well as it reduces the risk of the downtime. So it is very useful to solve this problem. The second thing is called by upgrading the current server system. When there is when the company is using the server system that is not upgraded, then the company have need to upgrade that system. The company have to use the upgraded or the latest version, so that they can get the profit as which they need. The second thing is called the efficiency of the storage device should be checked. Means to say that by time to time, the speed or the efficiency or the correctness or the accuracy of the storage devices should be checked, so that the company can get the information that the traffic load is increasing or not. They can get the information is that the storage devices are able to process that load or not. For example, in some of the cases, SSD solid state drives are not used in the server, so the company have to upgrade that storage devices into that should be upgraded to the SSD. SSD is called the storage state drive. It is a storage solid state storage device which uses the integrated server assemblies to store the data, and it can also be known as the solid state device. By doing this, the company can get the more profit, as well as the company can resolve the issues which we are getting. Thank you.